Evening, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you some of the tools that I use. The first thing I recommend is one of these sleeve ironing boards. I think I got this on Amazon for 10 bucks. And this works really great for small areas, your sleeves. You know, it's just a really nice little ironing board. Now the second thing you need is either clips or pins. I'm old-fashioned. I use a lot of pins instead of clips. It's handy to have a small ruler. This is great for hems and just turning under, like, you know, your 1/4 inch when you're doing like waistbands and stuff. And then we have seam rippers. These work really well. Okay, the next thing I use is my loop turner. And this is so when we make tubing and we have to pull it to the right side, this is another little tool I use, and it has a little like hook here, and you just put it in and pull it away. I have a video on it. Then I use my turner. This is from Clover, and this is for your points. It also has like a rounded edge, so when you're going around something curved, it'll help you push out that seam. So this is another good tool. Of course, you have to have your buttonholer for making shirts and stuff. Okay. I use a lot of plastic snaps. So this comes with your tool and your poker and a bunch of snaps, all in different colors. Amazon has it. I'm not quite sure. This, I got 500 snaps. And let me see if I put it down here. Okay, and this is what your snaps will look like. And then you would just snap it together. And these are really easy to put on. I like these a lot. Okay, now, this is a 2-in-1 tool. This pieces that screw off and screw onto these, that's for eyelets. These are for snaps, and this is metal. So you get a package of eyelets and you get snaps. So here's the eyelet that goes into your material. Now, I don't have the fabric puncher. So what I do is I take the little puncher that comes with the plastic snaps, and I'll put a hole in it. Then I take a number 2 pencil, and that's the size for those eyelets. And I just push the pencil through that hole. And I pull it out. And that gives me the right hole size that I need for those rivets, and that's a size 2 pencil. You know, sometimes you do what you need to do. And the snaps are just like the plastic, it's just that they're metal. So the metal ones, they will show like your material in the front instead of like the solid snap of a color. And that's about all the tools I really use besides my sewing machine, my iron. Pinking shears is another really good idea to get. A subscriber asked if I use a rotary cutter when I'm cutting out patterns. No, I don't. I use scissors. If I'm making like placemats and long pieces of cutting fabric for placemats or runners or something, I will use my rotary cutter. But for anything else, no, I just use plain scissors. And I think that's it. I also have, you know, like my chalk. I use heat pens just because I got tons of them. And then for my sewing machine bobbins, I use these covers. So when you're done with your bobbin, you just push these on, and then you can kind of wheel up your thread that's hanging out. And then you just have a nice little, this is all my bobbins. And I think I got 50 of them off of Amazon. I can't remember the price, but these came in really handy. Also, I use the Heat Bond tape, or the Stitch Wickery, I think it is. I use that. And of course, you know, your elastic. I have a few spools, and I have like 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 1/4 and 1 1/2. So I always have them handy when I'm making something. So that's about it. That's what I use. You can look and see, I know on my Janome, now my foot M, as in Mary, will do like a serger stitch. You can look and see if one of like Singer or Brothers or whatever you have has one of those foot. I think it's called an overcast foot. So, and that one came in really handy for me. I also have an edge guide foot. I have tons of feet for my sewing machine. But, you know, that's what I use basically. So if you have all that, you know, and your patterns and stuff, I mean, this will be a good channel to see everything that I've shown being used all the time. Before I forget, go look at the special video for the free pattern for the month of July. I got a basket over there, and it's getting full. When we hit 1,500 subscribers, I will think of another giveaway gift. And, you know, just please like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, comments. The channel's growing, and I'm really excited about it. And, you know, you just all have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.